Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make Dim Bhapa, a very delicious egg recipe. This is very easy to prepare with less ingredients and it will take just 30 minutes. In this video I have shown the step-by-step process of this recipe. And if you like my recipes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 4 eggs. So first we will boil the eggs. For that, take a good amount of water in a pan and add a little bit of salt and then add the eggs and bring it to boil. Adding a pinch of salt helps to remove the eggshell easily. Now the eggs are boiled. Then remove the eggshells. Now you can see how easily I can remove it. After that, slightly cut the eggs from all the sides, as I am showing here, and then keep it aside. Now we need 1 big onion, green chilli as you required, 1/3 cup of coconut, this is optional, 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1½ tablespoon poppy seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Now make a smooth paste of coconut, green chilli, poppy seeds and mustard seeds. Keep this aside and also make a smooth paste of onion. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also use any other cooking oil. Add the onion paste. Now cook it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium to high flame until the raw flavor goes. After 6 to 7 minutes, you can see the color has changed a little bit and the raw flavor has gone. So now the onion has cooked. Keep it in a bowl. Here in the same pan, I am shallow frying the boiled eggs. If you want, you can change the pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil or any other cooking oil and shallow fry the boiled eggs. It will take just 2 minutes on high flame. Take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Now take a airtight steel container and add the paste of coconut, green chilli, mustard oil and poppy seeds. Add the cooked onion paste, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt as per taste, and the curd. Now you have to mix it very well. Now add the egg to the masala. And gently mix it well. Now add some green chilies. And add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil or any other cooking oil. Cover with the lid. Now take a pressure cooker and add some water. The box should not dip in the water. Now keep a stand, and if you don't have it, then you can also use steel bowls. Now place the box inside. Now cover with the lid without the whistle. And then on medium flame you have to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, turn off the flame and leave it to cool. You can also open the cover. When it gets cool, open the box and check the salt. And the Dim Bhapa is ready. You can serve this dish with rice. This is very easy to prepare as well as it's very delicious. So try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.